Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best nitrogen charge kit is probably one of the most underrated tools for anyone serious about vehicle maintenance. Nitrogen inflation offers significant advantages over standard air, including reduced pressure loss and improved tire longevity. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of nitrogen charge kits, exploring their benefits and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. XCT-GK01 Hydraulic Accumulator Nitrogen Charging Kit. This is the XCT-GK01, a versatile kit designed for charging hydraulic accumulators. It's compatible with most brands, making it a go-to solution for various hydraulic systems. The kit comes with 7 different adapter types. This ensures that it can connect to a wide range of accumulators, providing flexibility for different applications. You can select from 3 analog gauge options, 1500 psi, 3600 psi, and 6000 psi. This allows you to choose the right gauge for your specific pressure requirements. The XCT-GK01 is designed with portability in mind. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around, so you can use it wherever you need it. This kit is designed for ease of use. It simplifies the process of charging and testing accumulators, saving you time and effort. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of compatibility, fitting most hydraulic accumulators. It includes 7 different adapter types, making it versatile for various applications. If you're working with different accumulator brands and need a reliable and easy-to-use solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Used to charge nitrogen accumulators on various farm equipment. As advertised and works well. Professional tool, great with extra pressure gauges at different levels. Almost all adapters. Really nice kit. Number 4. Sixcow GK01 Nitrogen Pressure Gauge Test Kit. This kit is designed for accurate pressure measurement. It includes 3 pressure gauges with different ranges, making it suitable for various hydraulic accumulator nitrogen charging and filling tasks. The gauges are built to provide precise readings. The kit comes with 7 interchangeable adapters of different sizes. These adapters allow it to be compatible with most brands of hydraulic accumulators. This feature makes the kit versatile and easy to use. The tools are made from corrosion-resistant gauges and sturdy steel adapters. Premium silicone oil is used for better shock resistance and accuracy. This ensures the product's durability and reliability. All parts are stored in a thickened plastic toolbox for easy storage and portability. The 5-foot hose extends the pressure gauge for easy reading. This design makes it convenient to use in various situations. Your satisfaction is our priority. The product supports a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty for quality-related issues. You can return it if you are not satisfied. What we like. This kit features an accurate pressure gauge, ensuring precise readings for your hydraulic systems. It's built with durable materials and comes with a portable case for easy storage and transport. If you are looking for a reliable and portable kit with accurate pressure measurement, this one is a great option. What people say. I got my accumulator all screwed on, hooked up to the nitrogen and ready to charge. I wanted to put low pressure in it to seat the bladder, so I cracked the valve a little and put a little charge in the accumulator. Number 3. Hydraulic Accumulator Gas Charging System Test Kit. This versatile kit is designed for charging, filling, and pressure testing hydraulic accumulators. It's compatible with most accumulator brands, making it a valuable tool for various applications. It is easy to use and reliable. The kit includes 7 interchangeable adapters. These adapters ensure that it can fit a wide range of accumulators. This feature makes the kit highly adaptable to different systems. This tool allows you to inflate, adjust air pressure, and check inflation pressure. It is built with a compact structure, ensuring ease of use, safety, and reliability. The kit is resistant to high pressure and impact. The kit includes 3 gauges with different pressure ranges, 7 adapters, and a 2-meter gas hose. Everything comes in a protective case for easy storage and transport. This ensures that you have everything you need. The test kit is built to withstand high pressures, heat, and impacts. Its robust design ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. This makes it suitable for demanding environments. The main valve body with gauge can charge nitrogen gas and test gas pressure. You can change the transfer adapter to suit different accumulator gas valves. This kit offers great flexibility. What we like. This kit is a versatile tool set, suitable for most accumulator brands. It's designed with high pressure resistance, ensuring safety and reliability. If you need a comprehensive kit with all the necessary components for charging and testing, this is the one to consider. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to charge the shocks. The gauge is easy to read and accurate. The fittings are high quality and fit well. Number 2. XCT-GK03 Hydraulic Breaker Hammer Nitrogen Kit. This is the XCT-GK03 kit, designed for charging and testing the pressure of your hydraulic breaker hammer. It's a reliable tool for maintaining your equipment, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Specifically designed for JCB hydraulic breaker hammers, this kit ensures a perfect fit and easy operation. It's the ideal solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The kit is compatible with M10*1 thread gas valves, making it versatile for various hydraulic breaker hammer models. This feature ensures broad applicability and ease of use. It includes a double adapter for nitrogen cylinder outlets, supporting both CGA 580 and 58 BSP connections. This allows you to connect to different nitrogen cylinder types with ease. The XCT-GK03 is designed for ease of use, allowing you to quickly and efficiently charge and test your breaker hammer. The intuitive design simplifies the process. The kit is also designed to be portable and easy to carry, making it convenient for on-site maintenance. You can easily transport it to where you need it. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for hydraulic breaker hammers, making it a specialized tool. It includes a double adapter for nitrogen cylinders and is easy to carry. If you work with hydraulic breakers and need a dedicated kit, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to charge a system. The gauges are easy to read and seem accurate. The case is nice and keeps everything organized. Number 1. FPU 3-102540 Hydraulic Nitrogen Accumulator Test Kit. This kit features 3 pressure gauges with clear scales, making it easy to read the data. It accurately measures pressure in 2 units. This ensures you get the precise readings you need. The kit includes 6 different couplings, making it compatible with various energy storage devices. This versatility allows it to meet a wide range of needs across different applications. Made from 45 steel, this kit is built to last, with high temperature resistance and strong deformation resistance. The high-strength hose is designed to withstand various pressure test environments. The dial's professional sealing design prevents oil leakage and improves accuracy. This kit is suitable for pneumatic tools, air compression systems, and industrial equipment. It's widely used in construction, marine, and agricultural industries. It's a versatile tool for many different applications. The hydraulic nitrogen accumulator gas charging system comes with a toolbox for easy organization. It's also convenient to carry when working on site. This makes it easy to keep all the components together and transport them. What we like. This kit comes with 3 different gauges, allowing for a wide range of pressure measurements. It's built with durable materials, ensuring longevity and reliability. If you like a versatile kit that can be used in various industries and applications, you should consider this one. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to charge a system. The gauges are easy to read and seem accurate. The hoses are of good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.